So we're currently on a big boat here in Phuket, and today we're going to be going through Phang Nga Bay in order to do the famous Phuket tour.
We are going to be visiting 3 main islands, which is the Panak Island, Hong Island, and of course the world famous James Bond Island.
So this rock is in Phang Nga Bay National Park, which spans 400 square kilometers. It is absolutely massive. So we're kind of right in the middle of Phang Nga Bay.
Wow, this is beautiful.
It's like an oasis over here. These mountains are crazy beautiful. Wow. And everywhere there's just island upon island upon island. It's crazy. I think in one shot I can easily see about like maybe 30 islands. It's just wow.
We are finally here at our first stop, which is James Bond Island.
So we're going to be picked up by this boat over here to go to James Bond Island. Okay.
Made it.
Made it. And there's a small little boat ride towards James Bond Island.
We're like kind of sitting like in the water. The water's right here and then like dipping into the water.
And look for your time, we're leaving 12:25.
Okay.
12:25.
We must be back.
Yeah, back to that point here.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, first time on James Bond Island. I have no idea what's in store for us, but I guess we're going to figure out.
How massive is this cliff? It's like a leaning piece of rock, like an entire piece of rock. Can you believe that? That's incredible.
It's so flat.
It looks like it's been man-made, but it's completely natural.
So because of the tide, we had to stop at James Bond Island first because the tide is too low in order to go canoeing on the other islands. So later on the tide will eventually increase and we'll be able to go to the other islands to do canoeing. And what I've heard is that the Hong Island is absolutely beautiful, so I cannot wait to see that.
Wow.
So here we've made it to the James Bond rock.
And this island is famous for the 1974 James Bond movie that was filmed here called The Man with a Golden Gun.
And there we have the rock. So I can only imagine that where they filmed the movie was right over here.
Dum 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 dum. These formations were not formed by volcanic activity. It's actually limestone sediments that have been at the bottom of the floor and just eroded after the years.
Oh, what is this place?
I don't know, it's like a little pathway leading around the island to another viewpoint by the looks of it.
Oh my gosh! So there's not just one viewpoint here. Oh well, this side looks nice. What? There looks like there's quite a few viewpoints around this place. Oh, now I'm getting the effect of this rock.
It's massive. I can't believe that it's just a single rock just coming out of the ocean. This island locally is called Koi Tapu, which translated means nail island. And if you look at it, it kind of does look like a big nail that's been hammered into the floor. So because we came here on the big boat, our tour group is taking over this island, but it is not as crowded as it would have been pre-COVID. So we are really, really lucky to experience this destination like it is. I didn't know that you could swim until the James Bond little island, so we're gonna go and try and touch it.
We literally only have 15 minutes until our boat leaves, so we gotta hurry up.
Can you pull me along because I don't want to touch the bottom? Things touching my feet.
I don't know if we're gonna make it. Wow, look how huge it is. No?
I made it! I touched the island.
Touch! I touched James Bond Island, at least I can say that.
This is so cool.
Check underneath me. It is huge from here. Okay, so we're seeing James Bond Island. James Bond.
So let me give you a boat tour. We are at the bottom of the boat and we are in the kitchen area where they cooked us the most delicious food for lunch. We have some rice and some chicken and a little bit of stir fry, some onion rings as well as noodles, but it looks pretty good. And if you're following me this way, we have the toilets to my left and to my right, and behind me is the captain's area and the front of the boat. But let me show you how these toilets work. So it's like a normal toilet, and in order to flush, you have to grab water out of the bucket and pour it in the toilet. And then it flushes the toilet. So now we have the captain's area, and he has his seat, he has this cool big wheel, all these buttons, I have absolutely no idea what they do, and a little place for him to rest if he would like. And then if you step out this way, you go to the front of the boat, which is just really, really cool. Ow, this is a little bit hot. But how cool is the front of this boat? You can act like you're in the Titanic.
What is that for? To keep the same acceleration? Hey? What is this for? To keep the same acceleration?
Yes.
Okay. So you don't have to hold it the whole time. You can just put the string and carry it. Well, that's quite cool. So you don't have to hold the stick anymore. You can just keep it in one position and it'll carry on accelerating.
So the back of the boat also has some seating areas, and it's also where we get on and off the boat. But let's go and see upstairs. And then at the top of the boat is the main seating area where we've been relaxing and chilling all day when we are riding the boat. And they've also offered us some water and cold beverages.
Sawadee krap. What's your name? Benny. Hi Benny, I'm Daniel. South Africa.
Welcome to Hong Island.
Thank you. So we finally made it here to Hong Island, which we're here on a canoe. How epic is this? The mountains are just so super tall in front of us, and this place is beautiful. It just looks like there's caves everywhere.
Look at all these stalactites that are up here above us. This is really so beautiful. I cannot wait to go in a cave and explore. So Hong in Thai means room, and it gets its name from the eroded caves in the middle of the island. And apparently over 3,000 years ago, people actually used to live in these caves.
So over there we have James Bond Island number 2. Not really, but it looks like it.
Looks exactly the same.
Right? It really does look like it.
We're going into the cave.
My gosh, we're about to go into a cave.
It's super dark.
Oh my gosh.
We're going inside the cave.
I've always wanted to do this. Oh
How
my
cool is
gosh.
this? These caves have been made by the tide. Oh wow, look here. This is beautiful. Wow.
Wow. Oh my word.
Oh wow, we are like literally in the middle of the rocks. Wow, that cliff is massive. Absolutely beautiful.
I literally have no words for this. This is just something you have to come here to see.
Baby elephant.
Baby Elephant Rock. Oh, there's Baby Elephant Rock.
This is stunning. This is a dream come true, honestly. It's so beautiful. Wow. This is stunning.
And we're in the honeymoon room. That was ridiculously cool. James Bond is now definitely number 2 on the list for this tour. I would say Hong Island is the reason why you should be coming on this tour.
let's do it again.
So after swimming in Hong Island, we climbed onto the boat and headed down south to Panak Island, where we are now. Yeah, it's long, eh? It's crazy peaceful here. So quiet, and all you hear is little birds and bugs and echoes. Short, huge, eh?
Feel the animal.
Kupunka, this is beautiful. Benny has made us a rose out of a reed. Wow.
I actually planned that.
Kupunka, you're very talented. This is beautiful. I'm gonna keep this.
Thank you, Benny. You're a good wingman.
I really like my rose.
Do you feel special now?
It's so pretty.
Look at the detail. Just made out of a little piece of
A reed.
reed. That is crazy beautiful. Just like you, baby.
Oh.